Every minute there are dozens of new coins created on Solana, and it looks like a great opportunity to make money. Let's look at one of the newly created coins. Just look, the coin has just launched and there is already active movement on it. Let's watch the activity of this coin for a while. The growth looks pretty good. Let's see. Already 200% growth in a couple of minutes, super. It looks like the coin is starting to fade. Let's watch a little more. So, active selling has started. Let's look at the results of traders. Oh, look, he earned 120% on the growth of the coin. Made a profit of $500 in 23 seconds. Excellent result. Look, this trader was the creator of the coin, which allowed him to squeeze all the cream out of the movement. I bet he will create a new coin in a couple of minutes and earn again. Repeating this cycle an infinite number of times, he will soon have a big capital. But how does he create his coins so quickly, many times a day? In fact, there is nothing complicated here. Now there is a great way to create a coin in 10 minutes without any special skills. You ask how? Let me show you. First of all, go to the Solana launch website. This website will be your main tool for creating a coin. First of all, connect your wallet. Next, you will see the coin creation form. It is as simple as possible, just the way you like it. The face of each coin is its logo. It is easy to make. I have a blank logo that looks like a dog. I will make a copy of it and open it in PaintNet. Although you can use any web editor. Please note that the dimensions of your logo should be 512 by 512 pixels. I will change the color of the coin a little and save the result. Next, just drag your logo into the field. Great, the logo is loaded. Now enter the name, symbol and description of your coin. Keep in mind that the symbol must be up to 8 characters. On the right, we have fields with the number of characters and the total number of coins. Initially, there are 1 billion coins here. I do not recommend changing these values. Look, there are additional options below. Leave it as is. If all 3 options are enabled, then on various platforms like the deck screener, the coin will basically have more reputation. Well, now click on the coin creation button and confirm the transaction. Almost done. Your token is already in the process of creation. The process itself lasts about 2 to 3 minutes. Do not refresh the page. In a couple of minutes everything will be ready. So, your token is created and already stored on your balance. Here you have the address of your token and several links. Let's go to Solana Explorer and look at your token. Here is your token. It is already in the blockchain. Next, if you want to use your token for public trading, as it was at the beginning of the video, You will need to create a liquidity pool on the Radium website, and after that the token will be publicly available. You can watch more about this in my other videos, which will now appear on your screen.